Hey beautiful, this video is an assembly tutorial video for the Kinder Egg wrapper template that is in my membership files. I designed a cute little Blippi themed chip bag and I wanted to make a Kinder Egg wrapper to go with it. So after creating your design, you'll be able to print one wrapper per sheet. So once you get your design printed, go ahead and cut out your design. Now I'm using my trusted Cricut paper trimmer, but as always, if you don't have one, it's no big deal, just use scissors. Now, the assembly process for this wrapper is similar to a chip bag or a fruit snack wrapper. You're gonna flip it over and have the two back edges meet each other, and then place glue along that back edge. I'm using hot glue here, but if you prefer to use some kind of adhesive tape, feel free to do so. Once you have that glue down, go ahead and glue your edges together without flattening your bag. If we create any creases at this stage of the assembly process, we'll end up ruining the look of our wrapper. So as you can see, I've got a nice smooth cylinder shape going on here, no creases whatsoever. The next step now is to center my design and then pinch the bottom edge of the wrapper just like this, making sure that I'm only creasing the bottom edge of my wrapper and not the top. So just like that, you can see it is now perfectly flat, and this is what it looks like from all different angles. And so far it's looking just like a normal chip bag or any other pouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot glue to glue my edge here, but again, if you prefer to use some other kind of adhesive tape, feel free to do so. And as always, for these kind of crafts, I do not recommend any type of wet glue, any normal wet glue that you could get from the store unless it's hot glue. Now, before we move forward, if you're going to be sending these out to customers for them to fill themselves, that's where you need to place adhesive, not on the front, but on the side. You would put adhesive tape there. All right, just as a heads up. Now you're gonna grab your Kinder Egg and you're gonna put it in just like this. Not upside down, nope, not sideways. You need to put it in just the exact same way that I'm putting it in. As you can see, when I put it in, it just kind of sits there at the very top. It looks really awkward, but that's okay. We're gonna turn our pouch 90 degrees so that I'm facing the side, and then I'm gonna pinch the top edges together, just like so. So when you turn the pouch, this is what it looks like from the front. It's a triangle shape. Turn it again, I've got a nice perfect triangle. Again, perfect triangle facing me. Essentially every side should now look like a perfect triangle facing you. All right, so now that we've got that beautiful seal, what it did is it pushed the egg downwards. So remember, a while ago it was sitting kind of silly at the top, but once we squeezed the top edges together, it slid that egg downwards. So now we're good to open it back up and place some glue along that edge. If your customer was filling this, this is a part where they would remove that little layer of adhesive strip to expose the adhesive and then close their wrapper. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If you want, you can crimp your edges, but I'm not going to push my luck here. As you can see, this is pretty heavy. This is my hand. I got a really big hand and it really takes up a lot of space. So I think this is one of those treats that you should display on the table along with the chip bags and drinks, not something that should be hidden away in a gable box because it's not going to fit a gable box. It is a really good size. So anyways, hopefully you guys like this tutorial and the template. I'll see you later.